Obi. Hi, this guy. Hi. Where am I put myself today? Hi. Obi. That's what you do for us. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Oh boy. How far now?
Kaya lang niya rin.
How you
doing? Baba Sam.
How you doing?
I know fine. I know fine.
Wow.
I know
Hi,
fine.
what did happen? Hi,
I know fine. I know fine.
what did happen?
Hi.
Hi,
Hi. I mean, don't take this house, man. Me know this something.
what did happen? Baba, why is your life? Hi, Baba, why? What did happen, my friend?
I don't know where I put myself safe. Bless you, I leave this Nigeria safe.
Wow, why?
You know here what this guy do for us? You know here am. This guy now.
What do you do?
Hi.
What? Tell me now.
Hi. This guy finish us. Wow. I don't die with that. If to say this guy, hi. If to say this guy know how much I love him, you know go do this for me.
What he do for you?
Guy, you know get Android.
I get it. What?
Why not go enter the social media and see many things?
What in there?
Hi, guy. You know, yes, said this guy Peter Obi talk say we Nigerians we no vote and we go vote another person.
Who?
Atiku now. We talk say we go vote Atiku. No being again. So they give am money.
You say why you see him?
Guy, you no get Android.
I get it now.
I'll show you this thing. Plus, say you know enter social media now. You used to follow social media and see what happen.
I bring my see.
See am now. See what you worry.
For the future of this country, I know how difficult it is to go out and vote. But your sacrifice at this crucial time is critical. I plead and urge you to go out and vote. Go out and vote for Atiku so that we can start making this country work again.
Vote Atiku Abubakar for president.
Wow.
See what you worry me.
Wow. Now this thing, now do you think you thinking about that?
How no go worry?
Now this thing?
How no go worry now?
Wow. Mala, this now past tense. See.
Which kind of past tense?
Now past tense. You talk.
You don't see the 2020.
That's what you talk. But since 2019, by the time.
How?
Yes, I know that video. I don't see sense.
This video?
Yes. I know that thing. Sense.
So do you mean that they don't re-edit the thing self? No be saying now.
No be now. Now also since 2019. By that time he's a running mate, Atiku running mate. Yes. No.
So do you think that Peter Obi and Atiku they did the same before?
Before in 2019, are they together? Now he's running mate by that time under PDP.
So all this editing is done by dead people.
See this Igbo. You don't know that?
How know now? How know?
Oh. Now past tense.
Pastor. Hi.
Don't deceive yourselves. That losers. Now losers. Now losers
all
do
this
that.
work, now the work of losers.
Now work of losers do that too.
Guy, they didn't provoke me. They didn't face me. They didn't. I don't even think say I'm already disappointed.
Using social medias and do something
which is wrong. Okay, so now they want even blackmail the person. They know people better.
Now so they do.
Thunder fire them. Thunder fire them.
That's what they do.
So in there for a roster, Peter will be Peter. If they do the elections. Oh man.
Yeah.
You know what? You know why I like this person?
No.
This Peter Obi. This Peter Obi, as you see him, he's the only credible, talented candidate for this 2023 that we have in this Nigeria.
Yes, just like our brother here, Engineer Michael Ayuba.
Yes, exactly.
Senate candidate.
Exactly.
I love that guy.
Me too.
You too?
Me too. I love that
Very
guy.
good. I explained to Dad about how I explained him well. He's true lover. Yes, our parents.
Allah kada. Ni na ji iya maganan maganar ɗinsu.
Wa.
ta coci mana.
A'a, ba wannan yake yana magana akan Peter Obi ne. An takarar Labour Party. Muna maka magana Peter Obi. Shi yasa nake ce ma ka dan rika zuwa yaki da jahilcin nan.
Shi wanda
ba na san irin wannan
masa shi a wurin
ka dan rika zuwa yaki da jahilcin nan.
Da Allah
samu dan abin nan.
To da Allah ba. Da Allah barin baka sako. Dama ina ta neman inda zan bada sako ita bi.
To
ba samu ba ashe. Yawa shine da Allah ka faɗa masa. Akwai irin mu masoyan shi ne kuma ba mu da ilimi. Da Allah ya bude makaranta irin namu.
Za a duba.
Yawa saboda mu ba nan gaban an ce mu ce.
No like him.
He like him.
Okay. This guy is the credible. He's the only credible candidate we have in this Nigeria.
Banjiba.
Yes, like engineer Mikel Ayuba.
Where is it now?
No, thank you.
Allah ya kuka.
Thank you.